Hello, today we will guide you through how to download Cloudflare Warp for Windows. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Cloudflare download page, especially if you do not already have the exact link saved. Using a search engine also helps you confirm that you are heading to a legitimate source rather than a third-party download site. Once you are on Google, click into the search bar and type Cloudflare Warp Download. Then press Enter to view the search results. Try to type the phrase clearly and keep an eye out for results that point to Cloudflare's official website. This is important because downloading software from the official source is the safest way to make sure you are getting the latest, stable version for Windows. After the search results load, look for the result labeled Download Cloudflare 1 Client Stable Releases and click it. This should take you to Cloudflare's official download page for the Cloudflare 1 client, which includes Warp. If you see several similar results, choose the one that appears to come directly from Cloudflare's developers or documentation site. That can help avoid confusion and make sure you are in the right place. When the Cloudflare download page opens, find the option that says Download Latest Stable Release and click it. This will begin downloading the most recent stable version of the installer for Windows. In general, the stable release is the best choice for most users because it is intended to be reliable for everyday use. Depending on your browser settings, the file may start downloading immediately, or your browser may ask you where you want to save it. If prompted, choose a location that is easy to remember, such as your Downloads folder or your desktop. That way you can quickly find the installer once the download is complete. After the download finishes, you will be ready to open the installer and continue with setup on your Windows computer. Before opening it, it is always a good idea to confirm that the download completed successfully and came from the official Cloudflare source. This small check can save time and help avoid installation issues later. And that's it for downloading Cloudflare Warp for Windows. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have the correct installer downloaded and ready to use.